stuff. Oh, listen to Michael's corner. Whoa, 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 whoa. This road very well. You know, it's kind of bad when you can't really see what the road is. I'm just kind of going between the pump controls. Oh yeah. Hill coming up around the corner here. Well, looks like they plowed once anyway, so it's drifting pretty good. See if I can make it up this hill. Oops, push it. Oh, come on, go baby. I think I'm the only nut out here driving around. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Woo! Stop. We have to take a ride over the road since you're checking my mom. Good excuse to go for a ride. One plow came through here, the small one though. It's not doing anything to get much of the road. Here we go, sideways. Yeah, not much plowing. Here's my tracks from before. Through it. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to go back and get a cup of coffee. Think about clearing out the driveway. Cleared off the rear furnace. I have a high efficiency gas furnace. I sprayed the intake and the exhaust vent, which is down low in the back of the house, might be covered. It was a couple inches above the snow, but there's good 2 feet of snow out back, and it's drifting in places now. Oh. We got a short hill on my cul-de-sac too. Let's see. Let's go. See if I can make it up my driveway. What do you think? Whoa! Come on, baby. Go, 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 go. Oh, no. That's weird. Alright. Here we'll run it steady. I'm pushing with the bottom of my truck. Alright. Let's put it in low range. Put it in low. Let's go. Come on. Here we go. Come on, baby. Go, 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 go. One more try. You can see I'm really pushing. There's like a 4-foot snowbank, 3.5-foot snowbank in front of my drive. Let's go again. There, we got it this time. There we go. Woo! Oops, it blew up in the auto. Fun stuff. Alright. It is crazy out here. Good stuff. I love some good snowstorms.